the past meets the machine. Lost Worlds AI. Every mystery begins in silence before the truth reveals itself. What if these ancient structures were never just monuments? What if they were vast machines, built to harness power we no longer understand? Why do sacred sites across the world echo the same hidden frequencies? Why does sound appear again and again at the heart of ancient architecture? Who taught ancient builders to align stone with the heavens with flawless precision? How did they achieve accuracy measured in fractions of a hair without machines? Did ancient builders move stone not by force, but by frequency? Were these structures designed to channel energy, not worship? Why do sacred sites across Earth form a network, as if part of a single design? Were rituals and symbols actually codes for a lost technology? Perhaps what we call religion and ritual.
Among all ancient wonders, one structure defies logic more than any other.
Giza aligns to true north with an error of just 0.06 degrees, a precision beyond reason. 4 million tons of stone, aligned with a perfection modern tools still struggle to match. But Giza is only the beginning. At Baalbek, 3 stones weigh up to 1,1200 tons each. No crane, no pulley system, no machinery today could lift them as they were placed. How were such stones moved across miles of uneven earth without modern machines? Their placement was not random. It was exact, deliberate, engineered. Across the world, another pattern emerges.
Karnak aligns with the sun, with breathtaking astronomical precision.
At Tiwanaku, architecture mirrors the stars themselves. Angkor Wat, a structure synchronized with the movements of the sun and heavens. Different continents, different cultures, the same impossible precision. These structures were not isolated. They were components of a greater design. Perhaps these were never monuments, but mechanisms, engineered with purpose. Across ancient civilizations, one pattern echoed again and again. Why did these sacred sites all respond to sound? Many temples were built to resonate between 110 and 120 hertz. That range isn't random. It affects the human body and mind. The king's chamber behaves like a resonant acoustic chamber, as if it was engineered, not ceremonial. Precision like this belongs to design, not coincidence. Ancient spaces guided sound, like a machine guides energy. At Chichen Itza, a clap transforms into the call of a sacred bird. Not a miracle, but engineered reflection. The bird was sacred because the sound was intentional.
Temples across continents shared the same acoustic logic. Different cultures, same frequency, same blueprint. What if sound wasn't ritual, but the key?
Perhaps sound was the switch that woke the machine.
Granite inside the pyramids contains up to 50% quartz.
Quartz is piezoelectric. It generates electricity when it vibrates.
Pressure and sound could turn these stones into power sources. Was the stone chosen for beauty or for function? Many ancient foundations used magnetite and limestone together. Magnetite is naturally magnetic, capable of channeling energy.
Limestone, however, is a low electrical conductor.
Together, they behave like insulation and transmission systems.
This is not random architecture. It resembles engineering. Precision this extreme suggests intentional material control. Modern engineers use the same principles thousands of years later.
Did ancient builders understand material science like we do today?
How did a Stone Age culture know this?
Why choose these exact stones with these exact properties?
Did an ancient civilization master materials like modern engineers?
What if the Great Pyramid was never just a monument? Some researchers believe it functioned like an ancient machine. A frequency resonator, harvesting Earth's natural energy. Receiving geomagnetic power from the ground below. Others see it as a massive acoustic amplifier,
Turning vibration into physical force.
or even a primitive wireless power generator.
The parallels with modern technology are unsettling.
In 2018, ground-penetrating radar found deep shafts, structures resembling pressure and flow control systems. Tiered voids arranged like acoustic resonators.
Each chamber increasing vibrational power. A complete cycle. Input, amplification, output. This design mirrors modern energy devices.
Were ancient monuments parts of a planetary machine? Legends speak of stones that moved, not by force, but by sound alone.
Some traditions describe monks lifting stones with chanting, drums, and horns.
Modern physics calls this phenomenon Acoustic levitation.
Sound can lift matter, shape it, even suspend it against gravity.
Ancient chambers were built to resonate at precise frequencies.
What if the ancients didn't push, didn't pull, but activated? Acoustic levitation today lifts small objects, but scale may have once been greater.
Myths call it the song that moves mountains. Tiny objects lift easily today, but ancient stones did the same.
Some structures acted like resonant amplifiers, focusing vibration. Activation, not manual labor, may have moved these blocks. Was this symbolism or a memory of real technology?
Modern science proves the principle, but only at small scale.
Some stones show no signs of dragging, no transport marks. Vibration can shape stone, like invisible chisels of sound.
How did they achieve precision, rivaling modern tools? Was resonance the key? Frequency the control?
Were entire structures designed as sound machines?
If they moved stone with sound, what else could they do?
No blueprints, no formulas, no instructions remain. As if the world suddenly forgot how it once worked.
Construction stopped abruptly, as if halted overnight.
Entire civilizations lost the knowledge simultaneously.
Like a worldwide memory, wiped clean.
Some myths speak of beings who withdrew their knowledge.
What force could make humanity forget at the same moment?
Was the knowledge lost or erased?
Some evidence hints at sabotage, not decay.
As if a global network was suddenly shut down.
Did someone take the knowledge and leave humanity behind?
What could erase a technology from the memory of an entire world? What if all ancient monuments were part of a global energy network? Every stone, every line of architecture could conduct energy.
Sound was the key, a trigger for the hidden machinery.
Material itself acted as a conductor for unseen power. Ancient people did not merely worship, they operated these machines.
Every line, every angle had a purpose far beyond ritual. Could these structures form a worldwide grid of energy? These carvings may have guided the energy-like circuit pathways.
Temples were not only houses of gods, they were power stations. What if gods were not supernatural, but beings with technology far beyond us? What if these structures were designed to channel energy?
Not as isolated monuments,
but as components of a global machine.
Operated not by myth,
but by beings who understood energy and matter.
The machines of the gods.
May have powered an ancient world.
and then they went silent.
If these structures were machines,
If sound and energy once shaped the world,
Then the question is no longer, did it exist?
but whether we are rediscovering.
Something humanity once mastered.
Are we creating new technology?
Or simply remembering what we once knew?
the machines of the gods may have never disappeared. They may simply be waiting to awaken again.